Hey guys, I want to show you how to send voice messages in Teams. So, Microsoft Teams lets you send the voice messages in chats, making it easy to communicate without typing. You can record a quick audio message using your device's microphone and send it instantly. So, to start, open the Microsoft Teams app, then go to the chat with a person or group. Then, in here, tap and hold the microphone icon next to the message box. Tap and hold the microphone icon next to the message box and speak your message while holding the button, just like so. And if you're done, just release the button when you're done recording. Then you can send it. So click this arrow right here. So it will deliver your voice message, or you can discard it if you want to re record. So voice messages are available in one on one and group chats. Recordings are typically limited to up to 1 minute. Recipients can play your voice message on desktop, web, or mobile. And if you don't see the recording option, ensure your Teams app is updated and that your organization hasn't disabled the feature. Now, if you want to play the audio, just click on this play icon or play button and speak your message. Well, and that's it. Now, if you're using desktop or web, so just open Microsoft Teams on your computer or in your browser, then open the conversation where you want to send the message, then just select actions and apps, then choose record a video clip, or you can switch to audio only mode by turning off the camera, then select start recording and speak your message. So you can review or trim the recording if needed, then select continue and then click send. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.